Hello, Wachia, my dear students. Now, what we're going to talk about? We're going to talk about the volume and surface area of a cylinder. How does a cylinder look like in real life? Like this. This is a cylinder. It has the same circle on top and bottom, and the big one I have is here. So it's a cylinder. So what's special about cylinder? You have a circle here, that's the top. You have a circle here, that's the base, bottom. So you're gonna need this, and the radius is what you need to know, and the height of the object of the cylinder is what you need to know in order to calculate the volume and the surface area of a cylinder. In a 2D world, this is how it will look like. So you might see it like that, like this, like that. Just use your imagination, please. This is a cylinder, and on top the radius is there. In the bottom the radius is there, which is the same, and from here to there, that's the height. So let's just go ahead, jump into an example. Here is a question. This is 7 centimeter, which is the radius, and this is 10 centimeter, which is the height. What is the volume and surface area of this cylinder? First, we need the formulas. Let's go here and look at the cylinder. Is it here? Yeah, this is the cylinder, and the volume formula is BH, which is familiar to me. It's like a prism. So BH, volume equals capital BH. Volume equals B stands for the base area, remember from the prism. So let's go ahead and calculate the base area. And you know that the base here is a circle, so you're going to calculate the circle area. So let's open a new page here, and let's write down capital B, which is the base area. At the base we have the circle, so the area formula for the circle is pi r square. Base area equals pi is 3.14 times radius. In the question, it is 7. Don't forget the square, and let's just do the math here. 3.14 times 7 square times 7. That is 153.86. Capital B equals 153.86. And I'm not going to forget this time the unit, which is centimeter. It's the area we are talking about, square. So now 153.86, I'm going to write it down here. 153.86 times h is the height, that's this given to us, which is 10. And to do this multiplication, I am not going to even bother use calculator. The decimal will just move one digit to the right. Oops. So that would be 1538.6 centimeter cube. That's when you know I'm talking about the volume here. So that was the volume area, and now let's go ahead and calculate the surface area. Surface area equals, the formula for the surface area is 2b plus ch. Seems like chicken to me. 2b plus chicken. Let's go ahead and write that down. Surface area equals 2b plus chicken. Surface area equals 2 times b. Probably this is the base. Let's just make sure. And let's clear that. Yes, it's the base area. How about ch? It stands for circumference and the height. All right. So B is exactly that, 153.86 plus C. I'm going to circumference. I'm going to calculate it on a different page. And circumference is 2 pi r. So that's the formula. Just copy that from your formula handout. Circumference equals 2 times 3.14 times radius. It was 7, still 7. So let's use the calculator to get that. 2 times 3.14 times 7, which is 43.96. 43.96. Unit is centimeter. Do I need square or the cube here? None of them. This is the circumference we are talking about. You don't need those. 43.96. So let's go ahead and copy that down in the formula here instead of C. Now I'm gonna have 43.96 times the last one is the height 10. 2 times 153.86 plus the circumference 43.96. 43.96 times 10. That would give me 747.32. 747.32. Surface area, the unit would be centimeter square. Agda, let's practice.